Okay, let's put in a bookshelf and some bedside tables. So the first thing that we're going to do for the bedside tables is draw a rectangle, so finding the corner of the room. We probably want to keep them roughly the same size as the bed, so 3 squares high. Three squares wide. Okay. Erasing inside that square. Alrighty, 3 corners, 1, 2, 3, bringing them back to the vanishing point. Now it's probably a good idea to note if you're wanting to do symmetrical bedside tables, whilst your ruler is lined up, you could actually put in one on the other side as well, because you want them to be symmetrical, so on either side of the bed. I'll just do that while we have the ruler in place. Okay. Make that a bit darker. Now, depending on the design of your bedside table, this one's quite modern. I'm just going to do a little bit of a T shape here. It's kind of a floating. We're going to put a lamp on it, so we're drawing a rectangle, bringing that back to the vanishing point. Just make sure that's right. Same feature that's here for the lamp. Okay. All right, let's keep moving. So let's do a bit of a bookshelf up the back. Now I'm actually going to push back part of the wall to do this. So I'm creating a vertical line. Let's move it over. Let's go here. Okay, so bookshelves. Do a series of horizontal lines. Now, there's going to be very giant bookshelves, so maybe just more like clothing shelving. Next, we bring the cavities back to the vanishing point. Taking it almost 2 squares back. Now I need to do the same at the top. All right, so now what we do, this is the inside cavity of these shelves. Keep this line really light. Now, when we are below the horizon, we see the top of a shelf. So the top of the shelf gets seen again here. Alrighty, getting pretty close to the horizon now. Okay, now we're officially above the horizon, so we begin to see underneath the bookshelves. Okay, so that is actually set back into the wall, and potentially here you could put like a mirror or something. Okay, should try and keep. Now, I'll also put in one final bar on this window because I feel like it's a bit sparse. Okay. I'm missing that.